Joseph.
Hi, Eleanor.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Ooh, is that Chuck?
It is. I brought Chuck.
Yeah.
So, you know how we're talking earlier about the shoot, but we didn't really finish the conversation. So basically, I'm going with more like picnic vibes.
Okay.
So I brought like a white bed sheet that we can lay on the floor. And
Okay.
I'll sit there, and then I have like some flowers.
Oh, nice,
I brought,
nice.
What else? I brought a couple of novels and like a mat. So that
Okay.
we can just like set up like natural vibes. Like, girl, let's just go to the park. She just sits like chilling, that kind of vibe.
Okay.
And of course, Chuck is up for it.
Sure.
So yeah, what are your thoughts? Like, do you want to
Yeah, I'm just thinking because we're indoors, maybe we can't make it look like it's outside, like, in the greens or something. So maybe we could use like a bed sheet, maybe a white bed sheet or something, and then just make it look like it was done indoors. Oh, you brought one? Okay. Oh, wow, you came prepared. Awesome.
Chuck, say hi.
Hi, Chuck. Yeah. So these are some of the props.
Yep. So I brought a couple of novels and we brought them back. Just for fuck's sake.
Wow. Okay.
So yeah, that's about it. Oh, I really wish we had snacks. Should have got like some biscuits.
Yeah, there's a shop outside. I don't know if I can get some snacks. I don't know if it's gonna be like you go. Okay. All right.
It's not that far. It's just opposite.
Yeah, just opposite. Yeah. So right now I'm just going to be observing you and do your thing. So I already have a backdrop stand, so you can like hang.
Yeah.
I think Chuck wants to assist you.
Chuck is obsessed with me.
What do you want to get?
Can we get like pegs or?
I have clamps. I think I have the clamps here. Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, they are big. Okay, so obviously at the beginning of the video we said we were gonna use white bed sheets, and we tried that setup. We did a couple of test shots, but the white was a bit too harsh and it was kind of like dominating the entire setup. So we decided to change the color to something that it's a bit more subtle and that blends in better. And I think this looks great. We might insert a picture of the white so that you see the difference. But yeah, trust us, it's amazing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm doing a shoot with Eleanor, and this is going to be the first part of a 3-part series that we're doing, and it's a picnic series. So she discussed the idea with me a while back, and we're now starting with the first one. And that's how I told me in the beginning, so that she was setting up everything by herself. So the first part is supposed to be like an indoor type of picnic scene, right?
Exactly.
And then the 2 other locations, I'm not going to disclose them in this video, but just follow the series and then you see it as we shoot them. So this setup is going to be simple. As always, I'm doing a 1-light setup, and I'm using my Godox 8600 BM, and that is going to go through my 36-inch Octa, and I don't have the grid on there because I want the light to spread a little bit more. But I still want to get a lot of contrast and like defined shadows. So in hair, headdress, and then the props that we've laid up as well. So Like all of this was done by Eleanor. I really love it. I can't wait to start capturing it. So let me just quickly tell you the camera gear that I'm using. So I'm going to be using my Canon EOS R, and I've paired it with my 85mm 1.4 art lens from Sigma. Okay, so the plan is to shoot wide horizontal frames so I can get like a lot of hair and the props in the frame, and then I'll also, like, this is something I always do all the time, so I'll do like a wide to establish the frame of what we're doing, and then also go closer to hair just to get a little bit more intimate portraits as well. Close-ups I feel like are more personal, more relatable, you know, so I always like to do like a wide just to show you everything, and then I'll do a close-up of hair. So for this, I want to first of all, because we have an LED on here, it's in the evening right now, so the only lights that you're seeing is going to be from the LED and the lights in the house. So I rather want to like add them to the shot because I don't want a very, very contrasty image. So currently my shutter speeds are 1/200, f1.4 and ISO 100. So I'm going to drop my shutter speed to 1/125, and I'm going to increase my ISO to 200. And already you can see that we've been able to expose a little bit, even though the histogram is shifted towards the left a tiny bit. We have room to add lights, and then that is where my strobe is going to come in play. So the very first test shot, and no, look at me, yeah. Okay. So reviewing that, you can see that we've been able to expose fairly decently for hair. Everything looks nice and well lit, but we have a lot of unwanted shadows. So this is where my modifier is going to come in handy. So I'm going to turn on the trigger, and currently the flash power is at 1/64, but I'll start at 1/128, the least power, and take a test shot. So reviewing the image, it already looks really harsh. The light looks a lot, and we have some deep shadows, which is what I wanted because I wanted a contrast, but I feel the highlight is a little bit too strong. So what I'll do is I'll drop the ISO down to 1/125 and take another test shot. Yeah, I think this gives me a little bit of room. So I'm checking with my histogram, and you can see that it looks like we have a fairly balanced histogram, and this is what I'm going to maintain throughout the shoot. So Eleanor, are you ready to kill it? Yes. Okay. Alright, so for now I'm just doing a wide shot where I can see like all of you. So you can do that, and then your hand, don't cut it off. So yes, you can do that or bring it closer to yourself, you know, stuff like that. Let's flip your hair all the way to the back and let me see. Oh yeah, that's stunning. Another. Just gonna get a little closer and then take a few more frames. Beautiful. So one thing Eleanor is doing that is really good is anytime the flash goes off, she changes her pose. She gives me like something different to work with. And this is how, like, normally when you're shooting, you do things, so that if you find something that really works, then you can either shoot a little bit more of that, or like just keep changing till you find what works, you know. So because this is Eleanor's concept, I'm going to connect to my iPad and show her the images before I proceed, just to make sure I'm getting what she wants. So you can swipe towards the right. You like these more than the white? Yeah. I really love this pose, yeah. Okay, so now that I have taken the wide shots or the establishment shots, I'm going to switch the camera to portrait and see what I can get with that. But that is where I'm going to keep it and then start getting closer to her. So I'm going to start with just the portrait. at the same distance where I shot the wide ones, see what fits in the frame, and then maybe we can also cheat a little bit and move some of the props, because I think I may not see the plant and the E in the back, and that is one of the core parts of the whole setup, because she's Eleanor, she starts with E. So we're gonna try and make sure we still add that to even the portraits or some of the close-ups, you know. So yeah, I'm ready to start shooting whenever. Oh, that's even nice. Like you're hiding the poses. Beautiful, stunning. Alright, so now that Chaka has decided to collaborate, let's just quickly take some frames before. Does he respond to his name? Okay. Chuck, 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 Chuck. Okay. Yay. Chuck. Chuck, Chuck. Stunning.
Hey guys, so we've literally just finished shooting. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, including the setup. I hope you enjoyed spending time with Chuck and I. Please don't forget to like and comment your genuine thoughts of this video, and do subscribe if you want to see the remaining 2 parts of this series. And of course, don't forget to never give up.